Hi friends. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some painting. Last week I did some nature art, and after it dried I thought it was kind of boring. So I thought this week we'll paint it and make it pretty. So here's what we have. I have my paper, I have some paints, a couple of paintbrushes, water to rinse my brushes in, and a little towel to dab them off. So this one I thought should be a dragonfly, so I'm going to make it look a little more like a dragonfly. I'm going to give it some dragonfly eyes. And dragonfly wings usually are pretty colors, right? So we're going to put some colors on the wings. And I'm not even rinsing my brush between colors. I'm just going to paint it how I want to and let them blend. So, did you think that you could paint on leaves and stuff? You can. Now it looks a little more like a dragonfly, doesn't it? And this one was going to be a butterfly. So that one, those leaves shrunk quite a bit. So we're going to do this. We're going to make it look, we're going to make it the wings bigger. So you're getting the idea, right? You can create your art with nature, and then you can add to it with paint. And then for the dragonfly, you know how they have those little veins in their wings? You just add some of those in. I'm doing this as fast as I can because I know this is really kind of boring, but just to give you the idea. There you go. I'm going to put a couple of little white spots on the eyes using the other side of my brush. Did you know you can make polka dots easy that way? With the handle, you just turn your brush upside down, and there you go. There. Now it's not so boring. I would do more to it, but you get the idea. That's it for Monday. Love you and miss you. I'll see you on Wednesday when we release our butterflies. Bye.